Hi, I'm Nathan. If you've got a couple of minutes, I want to show you how you can select your own Mini online. It's actually very easy now. Love this brand. Type mini.co.za. This will take you to the Mini page. And on the top left hand corner you see it says buy your Mini. And there we go. Step number 1. Set your budget. And here you can actually choose how you want to finance your Mini. Click on Mini Select Finance. This will then give you a short tutorial and explain how Mini Select Finance works. And the same with the Mini installment sale, as well as cash and other finance. The beauty with Mini Select Finance is they guarantee you a value at the end of the term on the vehicle. You would get a guaranteed future value, which is the trade-in value that they would offer on the vehicle at the end of the term. Therefore, you don't need to worry too much about residual values and that kind of thing. And for this example, I'm going to choose Mini Select Finance. On the right, I'm going to choose the monthly installment that I prefer, and I'm going to look at 6.5. I'm going to, with a deposit of 35,000, 50,000 kilometers, over say 36 months. There we go. So those are my parameters. And before I go to the next step, the reason I've chosen Mini Select Finance is because they guarantee the future value at the end of the period. So I don't need to worry about the trade-in price of the vehicle at the end of the term. Step number 2 is the trade-in. And here you fill in the vehicle details of your trade-in if you have one. Registration number, year, and the kilometers. This will then give you an indicative price on the trade-in, which will assist you in going forward. At a later stage, you'll be required to take the vehicle to the dealership for a full valuation. If you don't have a trade-in, you just skip this step. And then this takes you to step number 3. This is where you have the fun. This is where you have a shop full of cars. This is where you get to choose the Mini that you want. Here you go, you've got 3-door, 5-door, Clubman, Countryman, all the models. I'm going to choose a Mini 5-door for this one. The 5-door appeals to me as a family, and you click continue. You can scroll down and you can see this then gives you a variety of vehicles that are available in the model that you desire. And on the left hand side you can choose more detail. Here you go, you can choose new, demo, transmission, the model that you want. There we go, select. There you have a nice variety of colours to choose from. Interior. Select the car you want and then click on the vehicle itself. There it is a bit more in detail with the specifications of that vehicle, and on the right hand side it'll give you your quotation, total price, as well as your installment. You'll also see an estimate delivery time as well. Click checkout there. It takes you to the Mini signing page. Register now, email address, create password, confirm password, your name, surname, tick the box and register. There we go. Takes you to the next page, mobile number, ID, date of birth, and then your residential address. Before submitting, select your vehicle dealership that you'll take delivery from, confirm your trade-in details if you have a trade-in, choose your payment option, and if you choose the finance option, select credit application. A business manager will do the credit application with you remotely. Summary and deposit of payment, and lastly, order confirmation. And there you have it. You can pretty much do that anywhere, and it's quick and easy. That's still too hot. Hi, I'm Nathan. If you've got a couple of minutes, I want to show you how to select your Mini online. It's easier than opening my laptop. How to select your Mini online. I've always loved this brand, and I love how easy it is to not be able to open my laptop. Hi.